2017 Chevy Silverado 2500 HD. Beautiful truck. Still got factory converters there, some big boys. Man, it's got a massive third converter. It's got shorty headers. If you guys can see them up there, somebody else installed them. So this should sound a little bit better. And then it's got 3.5-inch pipe all the way. And we put two DYNOMAX bullets back to back, 3.5-inch each. And then a 3-inch pipe out the back into 3.5-inch tailpipe. It's gonna sound absolutely massive. Beautiful truck. There's that big muffler that we cut off. We don't like mufflers here. We always like to cut them off and make it loud. Let you guys hear it in a second. Chevy's. What size motor? 6.0. 6.0. HD 2500. That's perfect. That's a new design. I like that.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Again? Raise it. Oh yeah, that's nice. Sound decibels. Go ahead. About 96, 98, that's perfect.
Yeah.
That's right where you want it. Oh, and you hear it, dub, 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 dub. I like it. I'm glad we went with the double, not the single. If you guys want the link to the DYNOMAX bullets, they'll be in the description. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Appreciate it. I'll let you guys hear on the inside.